So passenger side wing on my Passat is rusting. It's quite a common issue with the B6 Passats and also Mark 5 Golfs. And there is a piece of foam behind here that causes water to be retained, particularly when it's over the winter and you've got the salt in there as well. So I have a replacement one that I've got from Wigan VAG parts. Did a fantastic service, £25. Had to go and pick it up, but it's in far better condition. It was going to be £750 to get a replacement part sprayed and fitted, which seemed ridiculous compared to the price of the car. But if you have a look on the back here, you can see the foam that causes the rust because it holds the water in there. So before I put this one on the car, that piece of foam is going to be removed, and I'll also remove it from the other side to make sure that that doesn't actually get any worse too. So nice job to be able to get that off a breaker, and we'll get this fixed on the car.